Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and I turn them into delicious dishes. This is year 30. I've decided on a Latin-esque menu this year. For Emilia Perez, it's Empanilia Pera, Pear Empanadas, or turnovers. Perez was a movie that I had heard nothing about. We were just blown away. It's a musical, there's a drug lord, there's people who turn over new leaves, new lives, new perspectives. I think that's fair to say. And I really enjoyed it. It just was something I did not expect. Me making an empanada? That's a little unexpected. I love this empanada. It's so easy to make them. So delicious. I love the little spicy pear. This dough is perfect. It was just fun to make these crescents. They're excellent. Try it. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.